it prepares in endometrium by making it thicker, glandular and vascular. Nini, after menstruation period isiyenza kalini eyenzeka nini from day 1 up to day 7, whereby the endometrium it disintegrates iphume in the form of any blood clots neligazi liphuma kuwena. Uyayithola sesiyabona u-estrogen usezowenzani as i-follicle ikhula i-follicle iproduce bani u-estrogen i-develop bani i-follicles ukuthi formisheke u-FSH as u-estrogen ikhula wenza endometrium ibe thicker, glandular and vascular. Ubuye uprogesterone ngeke azaqala umsebenzi omusha uzoqhubeka la kugcine khona bani uprogesterone wenzani by further thickening the endometrium. But as the endometrium ibe thick, it means uprogesterone usekhona. Uprogesterone wenzani? It causes the endometrium to be even more thicker, to be even more glandular, to be even more vascular. Now as size kalesi structure produce progesterone is decrease. When kuzokwenzeka nanje concentration of progesterone is decrease now, which means the pregnancy ngiyesa-maintaineke. Yezwakala. Then as the thickness of endometrium decreases, it means umuntu akakhulelwanga wajabula waba happy.